Earlier in this module, we discussed pixel dimensions and device resolution. Now, the basis of this discussion has to do with the fact that most web graphics are delivered in a raster format and are therefore tied to a specific size. Now, these static size graphics may look fine on one device, but be barely visible on another. So what if you could display a graphic at any size and it still look pixel perfect on every device? Enter the Scalable Vector Graphic, or SVG format. Now, we've already determined that Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based drawing program, and that vector content can be scaled up or down without a loss in visual quality. So why not use this native vector format for web graphics? Well, that's exactly what the SVG format was built to do. When you export your Illustrator graphics as SVG, you're describing those graphics in a markup language very similar to HTML. Now, this markup language is called XML, and it defines your graphics properties such as shape, stroke, font, color, and even transparency. Now, because these properties are described in XML and not rendered as pixels, the graphic can be adjusted within the browser at runtime to fit the device it's being viewed on. So you can design one file and then use it on any device at any scale or any resolution. In addition to all the great features mentioned so far, the SVG format also results in very small file sizes. Now, this is important because it makes delivering them over the internet much faster. And if that wasn't enough, every SVG graphic and its properties can be animated. So, your graphics can move and change as they're interacted with, or simply over time. But as awesome as the SVG format sounds is not for every graphic. Photographs or photorealistic graphics are not good candidates for this format because SVG cannot accurately match the continuous tones of these types of graphics. However, items like icons, user interface elements, patterns, and logos are perfect for exporting in the SVG format. Adobe Illustrator is a great application for creating SVG files, and the process is quite simple. Now, I'll walk you through this process in a later clip, but for now, just keep in mind that you are not limited to the traditional resolution-dependent formats like JPEG, GIF, and PNG when it comes to your web designs.